Hi, I'm Robert. I've spent 30 years doing orthopedic massage. Today is my debut as an artist. I am struggling. 5 years we've been working as a team to put together I Am Sapien. It will be another 5-year mission to find intelligence. Not out there, right here on Earth. Here we need to find intelligence. We're going to find intelligence using a crowdsourced process. Real simple. You vote, choose your number of stars. From those stars, we will show who is the best avatar, what is the best knowledge the avatars have written, what is the best program that has been developed out of all this knowledge. Finally, what is the best action to take, given that we've developed a number of programs that would change the world. So what you need to do to change the world is simply write something smart. Say something positive. We're not doing negative on I Am Sapien. The negatives, you can't act on it. It doesn't go anywhere. So say something positive, and we're going to take that into changes around the world. How you put your wisdom on the site is simple. Go to iamsapien.com, click Get Started. It'll ask for your email, password, and then an avatar name. Avatars, that's who you are on our site. It's yours, well, secret identity if you want it secret. As free, you get 2 avatars. For $25, you get 4, 6 avatars for $45, and an unlimited number of avatars for $75, and that's per year. So compared to other sites, that's very cheap. So you can do personal presence on I Am Sapien, but you can also do a business presence. We call it promo or promotional. You can promote on I Am Sapien for free. You can promote your products, events, and services. You'll do it as a member, different from anything else. Silver is only $100 a year, gold $1,500 a year. Very reasonable prices for having people give your product or event votes, comments, and make connections. We tried to make the homepage as simple a process as possible. It's your homepage because you can be moving these things around, add and subtract items. On the triage site, find what is the most pressing issue in your local community or in the world today. Write about it in the global, expressing what is your solution. In the lounge, you get to play around. When you find something of interest that you've written about that's up to the quality you want, put it on global where it's going to get voted on. George Orwell, in his novel, predicted Big Brother is coming. Perhaps we can agree that, yes, Big Brother is here. It was H.G. Wells who gave us the concept of a world brain. I should have put H.G. Wells up here. He said in a series of lectures that electronically the world would have access to a library of the world's information. I believe it was his assumption that we would actually use that information for wisdom. But perhaps we can again agree that the wisdom part of that just is not happening. So I Am Sapien is looking to make a difference. There's something new and there's something old about creating tomorrow. And the old is tribal. For thousands of years, people sat around a fire. Sorry about my people, so I don't know what aliens those are. The tribe here created intelligence. They did that because they faced each other each evening with friendship, awareness, trusting each other. Intelligence was something that was more than necessary. It was demanded of society back then, because if these people didn't watch the stars and the change of seasons. They would run into heat or cold that could kill them. If they didn't watch the migrations of animals, then they would not have food. We need to reestablish a communication around a fire. And it's the groups that are formed on I Am Sapien. People will form groups on I Am Sapien and start developing a train of thought. But notice there's a difference that's going to happen. Today, we have many thoughts, and you notice they just scroll by on your phone, or they scroll by on your computer and they're gone. Not so on I Am Sapien. We want you to connect articles together into a train of thought, and we want you to take your article and improve it over and over and over again, bringing in information from other sources, bringing in other people, connecting with people, moving higher up, both in quality and in display on I Am Sapien. Forming groups on I Am Sapien is empowerment. As individuals, we don't have clout. There's little we can do. So we start forming groups, becoming familiar with people, becoming familiar with the process that makes larger groups, maybe national groups, eventually a world group. The world group that is I Am Sapien is the democratic part of the future. The other parts of the future are we will be competing with this global network as artificial intelligence and as the group that I call the Untouchables. So who do you think is running the planet? You name them and put them in this circle. I Am Sapien is the place where the people have a say in what's happening on the planet. We have a say because we are creating intelligence. Trying to make the process as obvious and simple as possible. What is it you're going to do on I Am Sapien? Well, how about research? Is there a book that you enjoy? A TED Talk? Write about it on I Am Sapien. Do an in-depth report. Tell us your experience. Tell us what you've been investigating. Explain something. Maybe you wrote a thesis in college that no one ever saw. Explain your work that you've been doing for so many years. Explain the project you're currently working on that will bring change to the planet. As a business member, announce your product, service, and event. Most of all, have fun being positive. Everyone, young people, teenagers, adults, and our seniors, everyone be positive on I Am Sapien.